so today we are doing a Christmas shopping spree. We're just going to be going to Iriga and Buhi Market. Mom, are you excited to go shopping right now? Yeah?
Very much excited.
How about you, Dad? Are you excited to go shopping?
Yep.
Arlene, what about you?
Very excited.
Good morning, Pipa. See, we just got back from Christmas shopping. We got it done, and now Arlene's wrapping the gifts. Are you excited about that, Arlene?
Yes.
That's what we did today. And Pipa, you were so good while me and Mommy were shopping. Thank you for being such a good baby. Are you excited for Christmas? I can tell. We got all the gifts wrapped last night. So we're excited to put it under the Christmas tree today. My parents and I, we just got back from the market and we bought, oh, what is it called again? The smallest fish in the world, baby?
Sinarapan.
Sinarapan. So that is the smallest fish in the world. We bought some of that from the market there. It's caught in Lake Buhi. Smallest fish in the world right here. You can only get this fish here in this area. So we had to buy it so we can try it.
Kilo. Kasi pag ito, kailangan mo nito steak. Natin ko na. Ibisan ko lang kuya. Okay. Kayo na lang malam.
This is actually my parents' last day here, my last day as well. We're about to leave Bicol. I won't see Arlene for a little over 1 month. So are you going to miss me? Are you going to miss me, Arlene? Are you going to miss me like that? This is what I'm going to miss right here. I won't see her for over a month. I'm going to be hanging out with her sister though, Sister Lauren. One of these days, Lauren and Pipa's going to meet each other. Are you going to miss me, Pipa? So my parents bought some gifts for Arlene's family, so that's what we're going to be doing tonight. We're going to have some of the people open up some of the gifts and we're going to have an early Christmas.
Ayaw magising talaga? Gising na! Wala.
Dio, Merry Christmas. Huwag mo munang bubuksan, ha? To our grandbaby Pipa.
Thank you po.
Laika, Merry Christmas. Baby Jean. To Arnel and Arlene.
Yes, magade. Thank you.
Oh, ano yan? Pamasko namin sa mga bata. Bago ang malis bukas. Oo, kasya. Oo, Nanginigaya ang ating bayan.
Baliktad. Kabila. Tamang-tama mga kuha namin sa salong.
Pasko, Pasko, Pasko namang huli ang pag-ibig naghahari. Next!
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sige, Pasko, bagong buhay. Bagong buhay, bakang tao eh. Kay Pipa ba yan? Pang-diaper niya. Arlene. R&R. Another pumper.
Yay! Thank you! Salamat!
January